The principle over here explains to us that it is completely tortious to knowingly and without lawful justification induce one person to make a breach of contract with another, as a result of which that other person suffers damage, right? So basically it fixes the tortious liability. Now principle 2 on the other hand says that the application, that is for the application of the rule which is mentioned in principle 1, the contract in the question must be a valid contract. So this is the important essential over here. It must be a valid contract. Now again, the explanation appended with the question provides us that in order to enter into a valid contract, a person must be of the age of majority. Now this is the important point. In other words, the must be of 18 years of age, right, or above, or where in case a guardian has been appointed, in such case must have attained the age of 21 years. So now the facts in the present question. Now we have a person over here, his name is Ravi, his age is 20, he was an aspiring actor. He was offered a role by a famous director to play the lead role in his movie, right? Now Ravi accepted the offer and received rupees 20,000 as the signing amount. Manoj, who was Ravi's legally appointed guardian, persuaded Ravi against doing the role, as in his opinion the remuneration being offered was completely inadequate, right? Now he also offered Ravi rupees 1 lakh if he refused to act in the movie. Now the director filed a suit for inducement to breach of contract against Manoj. Decide whether the suit filed by director would terminate in his favor or not. Again, in this question, the correct answer is B. That is, no, it will not, as there was no valid contract between the director and Ravi. Now we need to come back to the principle. The principle clearly says that for the application of principle number 1, that is, in order to fix the tortious liability, it is important that the contract in question must be a valid contract, right? So now there was no valid contract between the director and Ravi. That is, from the facts we get to know that there was literally no contract between both of them, right? Plus Ravi had not attained the age to be competent to the contract, right? Now again we get to know this because the principle, the explanation which is appended to the principle says that in case a guardian has been appointed for a person, then the age of majority is 21 years. Over here we get to know that Ravi was merely 20 years of age and his guardian was Manoj, right? So when he actually received a sum of rupees 20,000 as a signing amount, he was actually under the guardianship of Manoj because he was 20 years of age. So basically, applying the explanation also to the given set of facts, we get to know that B is the correct answer, right? So basically what happened over here is that Ravi did not attain the age of majority. That is, a majority of age for in case of a guardian appointed is of 21 years of age, right? Now since he had not attained the age of majority, his consent was not appropriate in order to enter into a valid contract. Hence, the action would completely fail, making B the correct answer, right?